everyone, welcome you all. Myself Shivnarayan from Shri Guru Krupa Vidya Sankul English Medium Utna branch. My friend Heer and Mahima. What is special today?
There is nothing special today. Today is Monday.
No, today is World Lung Cancer Day.
Oh, so why and when it is celebrated?
It is celebrated on 1st August every year and it is celebrated to aware people about lung cancer.
Great. What is cancer?
Cancer is a disease where abnormal cells grows uncontrollably in the body.
What is lung cancer?
Lung cancer is a type of cancer where the abnormal cells grows in lungs.
Oh, why lung cancer occurs?
Lung cancer occurs because of smoking cigarettes and chewing tobacco.
So now we are going to do a model on how lung function and how smoke affect our lung.
So here is a simple model. Imagine this as a human body. Inside the cap there is a cotton placed and it is working as a lung. And there is a cigarette placed on the cap. This is draining system and the bottle is filled with water. Now we are going to light the cigarette. Now as water is draining, vacuum is creating inside the bottle and the smoke is collecting inside the bottle. See, the smoke is collecting inside the bottle. Now, see, the smoke is collected in the bottle. It was the process of inhaling. Now we are going to do the process of exhaling. Now, the process of exhaling has done and the smoke has removed from the bottle. Now we are opening the cap and showing you the cotton that was performing as a lung. Now we are opening it. See the smoke particle collected in the cotton.
So how we can control lung cancer?
Don't smoke, stop smoking, eat a diet full of fruits and vegetables, do exercise most of the days in the week.
Oh, so as we all have seen that how the lungs get affected by smoking. So on behalf of Shri Guru Krupa Vidya Sankul, I request you all, don't smoke, stop chewing tobacco. Thank you.